Okay, let's take a look at this quick access toolbar hack, and let's see if we can stop worrying about having to memorize a bunch of keyboard shortcuts that we can never seem to recall when we need them the most. Let's say we always find ourselves doing a lot of column resizing, and we can never remember what we saw on a tutorial video. Here's what you can do. Go find the command you want to use. In this case, it's the Auto Fit column width. Right-click on it, and then choose Add to Quick Access Toolbar, which will place the command up here. Now, if you want to use it, you just need to click on it, and voila, there you go. But wait, there's more. A lot of people like to use key combinations, and that's totally cool. So let's see if we can be a little more efficient. If we press our Alt key, you'll notice that some numbers appear on the Quick Access Toolbar. So all we have to do is press the corresponding number for the command that we want. So if we go back to our column resize example, if we press the Alt key and then look up here, it seems like the number 5 corresponds to the resize command. So all we need to do is just press the number 5 and we get the same results. Not too bad. Next, if you add a lot of commands to the Quick Access Toolbar, you can only see so much of it. So to make things easier on your eyes, if you right-click on the toolbar and then choose Show Below the ribbon, that will relocate the toolbar down here, which is much easier to see. Okay, and that'll do it for this one. Let me know in the comments if you can get some usage out of this one, and I'll see you next time.